Pydantic AI capabilities let you extend agent behavior by subclassing AbstractCapability and implementing lifecycle hooks such as prepare tools, which filters or modifies the list of tool definition objects the model sees on each step. The following code demonstrates a conditional tool filtering capability built around a RunContext evaluated predicate and a list of tool names to suppress. The data class defines a condition callable and a hidden tools field, provides a from_spec class method that substitutes a default true predicate for spec-driven construction, and implements prepare tools to return either the filtered or unfiltered tool list, depending on the condition outcome. From collections, ABC import callable. From data classes, import data class, field. From typing, import any. From Pydantic AI, import RunContext, tool definition. From Pydantic AI, capabilities, import AbstractCapability. At data class, class conditional tools, AbstractCapability any. Hides tools unless a condition is met. Condition, callable RunContext any. Bool, hash not serializable. Hidden tools, list str equals field default factory equals list. At class method, def from speckles, hidden tools, list str conditional tools any. Hash in the spec, there's no condition callable, always hide. Return else condition equals lambda ctx. True, hidden tools equals hidden tools. Async def prepare tools. Self ctx, RunContext any tool defs, list tool definition. List tool definition. If self, condition text. Return td for td and tool defs if td. Name not in self hidden tools. Return tool defs. This capability implements conditional tool filtering via the prepare tools hook, which lets you gate tool visibility based on runtime state from RunContext. The condition, callable, decides whether to apply the filter, and if true, the toolset is pruned to exclude any tool definition whose name appears in hidden tools. The from_spec class method is the key pattern here, since callables aren't serializable in YAML or JSON specs. From_spec provides a fallback condition that always hides the listed tools, while the full Python constructor accepts a real condition callable for dynamic gating. This is the standard way to make a non-serializable capability spec compatible. Let's break it down line by line. From collections, ABC import callable. Imports callable from collections. ABC for type annotations that represent functions or methods. From data classes, import data class, field. Imports data class and field from Python's standard library data classes module for defining structured data classes with field configuration. From typing, import any. Imports any from the typing module to use as a type annotation for values of any type. From Pydantic AI, import RunContext, tool definition. Imports RunContext for agent execution context and tool definition for declaring model tools from Pydantic AI. From Pydantic AI, capabilities, import AbstractCapability. Imports AbstractCapability from Pydantic AI. Capabilities, the base class for defining custom agent capabilities. At data class, class conditional tools, AbstractCapability any. Hides tools unless a condition is met. Defines a data class named conditional tools that subclasses AbstractCapability, with a docstring stating it hides tools unless a condition is met. Condition, callable RunContext any. Bool, hash not serializable. Declares a variable condition typed as a callable that accepts a RunContext and returns a bool, with a comment marking it as not serializable. Hidden tools. List SDR equals field default factory equals list.
Defines a Pydantic field named hidden tools storing a list of strings, defaulting to an empty list via default factory.
At class method. Def from speckles hidden tools. List SDR conditional tools any.
Defines a class method named from spec on the conditional tools class that accepts a list of hidden tool names and returns a new conditional tools instance.
Hash in the spec. There's no condition callable, always hide. Return CELSE condition equals lambda CTX. True. Hidden tools equals hidden tools.
Returns a class instance with a condition lambda that always evaluates to true and forwards the hidden tools argument, effectively marking all tools as hidden unconditionally.
Async def prepare tools.
Declares an async function named prepareTools with no visible parameters.
Self CTX. RunContext any tool defs. List tool definition.
Method signature for a tool preparation hook, accepting RunContext and a list of tool definitions as parameters.
List tool definition.
Function return type annotation, declaring the function, returns a list of tool definition objects.
If self condition text.
Calls self-condition with CTX as argument, evaluates its truthiness to determine whether the subsequent block should execute.
Return TD for TD and tool defs if TD. Name not in self hidden tools.
Filters tool definitions by excluding those whose name exists in self-hidden tools, returning the remaining tools as a list.
Return tool defs.
Returns the tool def's value from the function. The whole thing is a runtime-gated tool filter. Subclassing AbstractCapability gives you the prepareTools hook, which sees RunContext and the current tool definition list. The condition callable decides whether to prune that list against hidden tools, and from spec is the glue that makes this serializable. Callables can't travel through YAML specs, so from spec supplies a lambda that always returns true, effectively hiding unconditionally. Drop in a real condition, and you get dynamic gating per step. The hook, the context, the filter, and the spec pattern all serve the same goal. Control what the model sees based on runtime state.
The condition that holds swallows every name in hidden tools before the agent speaks.